Okay, guys, so I don't know if you can see me at all, but okay. So today I'm going to be doing the day from Demon Sound. So I have my sound right here. I'm doing my sound so you can see it. So do that sound. So I'm going to leave my tablet right here. And so you can see it. So if I do my tablet, you can also see. So you want to put it in slow, like the times 2, so that it's way easier for Oh, there we go. Hi. Okay, so we got so it's easier to get into, So into volume. There, can you guys see me better? I'm not sure. Let me go turn on the I think I can see better. Okay, so anyway. So that's the song that we're doing today. So I'm gonna teach you how to do it. That's my version. You don't have to go like that. But I'm gonna do it because it's my way, my channel, my everything. So, if you haven't followed me yet, so I'm gonna do it. I have a confession on it. That's it. So I'm gonna teach you step by step. This is the Nintendo because I have to do it. Okay. What you should do is the sound. And I'm just gonna put the song on. So comment down below you think I'll be following the first 10 people that comment. So just gonna put on the sound and we're gonna dance. As it goes, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got it. Got it. I'll do it again. So it goes. I'll find some demons. Either demons or demons, whatever. So it goes. You can either clap then start, or you can just start automatically. Then it'll go boom, boom, ting, ting. So boom, boom, find the demons. And you'll kind of go like out and to here, so you can go this. Got it? Then go this way. So it goes 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you got one where you go demons. We're gonna like jump this way, like you hop, hop, this way. And it goes this way, and then you gotta go this way. So now boom, boom, find the demon, and go straight to this. So kind of like casual and you go boom, boom, find the demon. Is that, I guess, no, or 5, I guess, I don't know. It looks a little bit better though. That's what I'm realizing. We could always just do like that if you want to say that. That's you. And then so it goes 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1. So don't find the demon. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. You just gotta go out, out, or just go like that. Whatever. Throw your hands in me. You gotta go right and then like this. Thing is mirror, so everywhere I go, you go. And so it goes, don't find demons. And then this is the sound of it. So the next part is you go like on a third something, and just go down and hit yourself in the face. It's like a chain reaction. Paya. So it goes, don't find the demons, don't go deep in. And it go hold your nose and it goes up. So kind of like ooh,
Look away.
like singing. And it will go 1, 2. And it'll go 1, 2, 3. Or you just go 1, 2, 5. I'm pushing the foot like that. And then you just go that again. I can go like that. That. Then we can try it all together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Did y'all get that? Hope I did. Let's watch it. Well, we got it. Wanna watch it? We're gonna do it one more time together. But like this video if you think you want more of these dance videos. Alright?
Can I try this?
Yeah, I'll teach you later. I did that one cool because I think I am cool. I will now. I want this to be over there. Was that video like? Oh yes. I think it's good. So like this video if you think that this was helpful, and comment down below if you want more of these dance videos. Signing off for now. Pound and knock it. See ya.